Hello, my name is Segun Awolowo. I'm glad to be with you again today. Now, before I move, I'd like you to subscribe to this YouTube page, Segun Awolowo. Very important. There's so many materials that will be of help to you as a business owner. So now let's move. How to keep your relevance in business when things get tough. I'd like to submit to you, and you need to accept that there are times in life that you will experience tough times, and so there are times in business that tough times will also come. In life, there are what we call seasons. Just like you have dry season and wet seasons. If you go through the Holy Book, you understand also that there are always different seasons in man's life. There's time or seasons to be born and season to die. Season of happiness and season of sadness or sorrow. One of the things that makes you thick and strong is that in business you go through tough times and tough seasons. Now, what do you do when this happens? It's to become strong and to become determined that no matter what, I will still keep forging ahead. Now, so what do you do when you fall? Holy Book says a righteous man falls 7 times and rise again. Now, sometimes you lose money once and you think that will make you shut down. No. One of the things you have to do is to keep forging ahead, even if it is difficult. But there will be times when things are going to be tough, things are going to be difficult, customers are not coming, businesses are not coming in. You have to stay there and keep yourself in business. The fact that sales are not coming as at when due or when you expect does not mean that you shut down the shop or close the business and you move into something else. A lot of times I've seen people who change business every year because this year the kind of sales they expect is not what they get, and then they change to another business, and then next year what they don't understand is the people that you are measuring yourself with remain in that business consistently when it is good and when it is tough. And so you must develop capacity for toughness, to withstand toughness and to handle tough challenges. Times when clients are paid you and then they all of a sudden change their mind, what are you going to do? You still remain and doing that business. So what I will advise you to do is this: tell yourself from the beginning that no matter what, you are not going to quit. I've said it before and let me say it again. A statement by Robert Schooler: tough time never lasts, but tough people do. You know, Jesus said something. In this world, you will find troubles. It is certain there will be troubles, but there is a good part to it. Be of good cheer. Be encouraged, because he said, I have overcome the world. So one thing that is constant is that you will find troubles. Sometimes business will not come as you expect. Sometimes you will get money from the bank and you are not able to pay back, and bank want to mess up your business. You still remain there no matter what it is. So I want to encourage you, don't stop now. Keep moving no matter what it is. Just keep moving. When things are tough, it is a proof So I explained something to you about how to build capacity for intelligence and for wisdom. The moment you have challenges, it is a test on your capacity and your wisdom. And what you do is this, is that you want to make sure you do everything to face that challenge and overcome that challenge. And the moment you are able to rise above that challenge, you have developed capacity for that level and that season of challenges and difficulties. Meaning there is no problem that will come to you tomorrow, as far as that level is concerned, that will make you to be fearful and to become afraid. You have gone beyond that capacity. So every season, and one thing you have to understand is this: if you are expecting growth to happen, one thing you must expect is every growth level come with a new level of challenges. You cannot grow except you prepare yourself and build capacity for bigger challenges. The more challenge you have or challenges you have and they are able to overcome, the more you grow. And growth and challenges are one side of a coin, not even two sides of a coin. Let me say it again. Growth and challenges are one side of a coin, not two sides of a coin. Anywhere you expect growth to happen, be prepared for challenges. And so when you understand this, you build capacity to withstand it, to go through it, and to overcome it. It is very important. You tell yourself, this time will soon pass. No challenges, no difficulties are permitted to last long, forever. There are seasons in everybody's life, and when you are in your own season of challenges, you'll try as much as possible to remain there. When you are in your season of challenges, do everything possible and say to yourself, I will not quit, I will not leave. Quitters never win. Winners don't quit. You tell yourself, I won't stop doing business. Even if everything goes, even if I am back to zero, you tell yourself, I'm going to rise again. A righteous man falls 7 times and rises up again. So you tell yourself, I'm going back to the same business where I have failed before. I will go there. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I'll do it again and do it again until it begins to produce results. I will go and try it again, and I will try it again and again until I begin to produce results. Toughness won't stop me. Hardness won't stop me. That it is tough now does not mean it will continue to be tough. I will try again and again until I begin to see results. Results are coming. Let me encourage someone today. Results are coming. Don't stop doing that business. You have done it for 3 years now. It looks as if you are not producing any results. Stay there. Don't stop. It looks as if you are not making sales now. Stay there. Keep pushing it. It looks as if nobody is calling you now. Stay there. I remember how I'll be looking at my phone like this, and I'll be waiting for my phone to ring, for call to come in. And it was like, God, when I by chance get a call in, it's like, God, thank you for this phone ringing today. But you know what? You know, one of the challenges I have now is to get calls and to attend to those calls. It is how it is. Don't stop because it is not working. Stay there. It's going to work. I tell you what, results will come. Don't quit now. Keep pushing it. Keep advertising. Keep telling people you bought the first product. People didn't buy it. Go ahead and buy it again. You will be amazed at how the power of consistency will work in your favor. So I encourage you, don't stop now. Don't quit now. is going to work. That business will work. It's just 3 years. Give it 1 more year. It's just 4 years. Give it 1 more year. It's 5 years now. Give it 1 more year. I tell you, results will come.